Hi everyone, this is Minnie. Welcome to Medico Sutures, our every oven factory. This is where high quality sutures, surgical needles, and precision. Let's head inside and see how it's all made. This is our raw material testing workshop. Before production begins, our quality controller needs to test the hardness and diameter, ensure absolutely consistency and precision. After we tested the raw material, we need to cut in the stainless steel wire into different needle lengths. You can see this cutting machine here. This is an important surgical needle production step, needle tip grinding process. During this stage, we need to repeat several times to ensure the needle tip is precisely shaped and sharpened to achieve optimal performance. We move on to the needle tip drilling process, a critical step to ensure the strength and reliability of the needle suture attachment. If the hole is too shallow, the suture may detach during use. If the hole is too deep, it can hinder the worker's efficiency. Precision is paramount at this stage to achieve the perfect balance of optimal performance. The triangular precision process directly impacts the needle's puncture force, determining whether the needle can smoothly pass through tissues and ensure seamless suturing. This step is also one of the key factors that affect the overall quality of the surgical needles. Our experienced workers manually inspect and select the qualified needle tips, remove any defective ones to ensure the quality of our surgical needles. We use advanced machines for shaping and bending the needle to ensure the needle tip is smooth and making them easy to use with less resistance during stitching. After the surgical needle production finished, we heat them in high-temperature equipment to make them stronger. This ensures the needle tips are durable during suturing and helps to make surgeries safer. The ultrasonic cleaning step is used to remove impurities, such as oil and dust, from the surface of the needles. This ensures the needles are clean and meet the hygiene standards required for medical use. Finally, we use EO gas to sterilize the packaged sutures, making sure our sutures are safe to use.